This guy can't come out. Okay, deposit. Like that.
AAU challenge. Great man of AAU. 89 tested. That is the great Polite. Hosted East Town for Excellence. 1997, 96, 95. They were there. Mr. Kodui was working across the world. Mr. Moss, despite big belly, they carry on the guests. As per Amos Iyare, the Oshomole of New Delhi. The Oshomole of New Delhi. Oshobaba, Oshomwe, representing. Yes. Mr. Rasky or Mr. White. Yes, that is Pucci, the biggest dick in Mabianaga. The brick long where that is Jackie Matos. Yes, King Solo, Asian Community Chairman, and all his expos. Representing, looking good. Say cheese. That's Biggie. Nice baby, Task Force Chairman Meroni. Member, Edo Community. Get long break. I kept from it on the way. representing. That is Andy Fresh. Andy Fresh representing. That is a divine order. Divine representing smile. Yeah, connect smile. Representing Jamaria Boga, member of the community. Yes, another one. Water. Yes, that's PRO 2, PRO 1. Protestants. That is Great Kashmir. The activists. The hair merchants. These are great men of Delhi representing. They came to grace the occasion of the Edo community. Yes, this Patawo representing Vice President aspirants Nigeria Union election, New Delhi. Take and carry go, you don't carry out. That is Pioneer President, founder, Edo community, Mr. Price Yamu. Who don't know you, don't know anybody. Yes, we have some of our Indian sisters in the midst. Yes, great boxing, a great polite. Yes, these are our pretty sisters. Judo Kaka representing.
Let's put our hands together for Edo musician. Let's put our hands together for Edo. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Let's put our hands together for Edo musician. God bless you. Very quickly, before we continue, the next item on the agenda is the executive dance. The executive want to shake their body. But before that, we have some guests in our midst, and they are not saying much. So President want to address.
Great Edo community.
Unity.
And also we cannot enjoy. More day to eat, more day to enjoy. We are just starting. First and foremost, we have our president aspirant in our midst. Other candidates are here. Person like Kashmir is our midst. Is somebody that is vying for the post of the president in Delhi, and is a man we have known for decades.